Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Hope you had a great weekend. I turned my holiday on Thursday into a 4-day weekend. Was able to get a bit of hiking in. It was a nice reset. So I was back at it today. And while the indexes all had a relatively strong showing, you can see that at least this is the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at all of these real quick. We're still in this consolidation, just kind of sideways movement. This one is the Dow, very similar. I mean, a little bit more range on that, but like still basically all in this vicinity. The Russell, again, spike up here, but like right back into this little channel today. As for the S&P, looks very similar. So, of course, the big story today is what's going on in the Middle East. And this is crude oil. Now, I personally don't trade crude oil, but that is just an extraordinary range on that daily candle. So you can see over the weekend, we gapped up to open up here and then ended all the way back down here. So, my friends, just be very, very careful with all of this chaos going on in the world today. Of course, that did impact the other energy markets as well. This one is heating oil. Again, just a huge, huge range. This one is gasoline, massive daily candle. This one is natural gas. So there are always two ways to think about this. It's like, oh, this one's moving, let's get in it. Or this one's totally chaotic, let's stay away from it. For each of you, you'll need to decide what type of trader you are. What is it that you are going to trade? How are you going to trade? What are your specific setups that you are looking for? And the closer that we can stick to those rules and regulations for ourselves, generally the better off we will be. Now, yes, sometimes that does mean we will miss a massive move. There can always be FOMO that shows up, the fear of missing out. But the sooner that you can recognize that there's always going to be stuff that you're missing, I mean, we can look at any of these things. Hey, crypto, okay, massive gap down on ETH, and like, oh, I missed out on that. I could have maybe been in it because the parabolic SAR told me it was heading down. But okay, fine. Like, I don't trade that, so I'm not concerned about that. Oh, what's happening in the softs today? Well, cocoa is looking pretty decent. We came all the way down below the cloud and basically worked our way back up to the top of the cloud. Coffee had a big move today. Missed that. Okay, no problem. The more that I can focus in on the very specific things that I'm trading, the better off generally my accounts will be. As a heads up, that 80% off over at Apex Trader Funding is ending tomorrow night. So, as of this recording, you have 1 day, 8 hours, and 44 minutes to grab those 80% off. That is 80% off recurring. So, if you are in the market for another account or a new account, now would be the time to lock in at that discount. There's a link and coupon code for you down below. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.